Hey guys, welcome to RestoreBin. My name is Kushal, and in this video we are going to see how to install the VirtualBox on macOS. So before that, what exactly is the VirtualBox? So I written an article on this which details about what exactly is the VirtualBox and how to install it, and which we are going to cover in this video. So what exactly is the VirtualBox? So VirtualBox is a virtualization tool that is loaded on any of the software system, like operating system, like you can install it on a Mac or a Windows or a Ubuntu or all the Linux distributions, and you can run virtually the different OS on the same base OS. In the simple terms, like say suppose you have a MacBook which has the Mac OS and you want to run a Windows OS over the top of that Mac OS, then you can use the VirtualBox environment to install the Windows OS. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. There is no big deal in a setup, and in this video we are just going to cover like how to install the VirtualBox, and in the future we are going to learn how to install or sideload all other operating system on the Mac OS. So let's get started. So this is all the detail about that you can refer in this hyperlinked articles. I will be leaving this link in the description below, and here is what about the VirtualBox, exactly what I said, and it's also backed by Oracle, and it's one of my favorite virtual machine, and it's releases the updates and the security updates and almost like frequently, like once in a month or something. And let's proceed with the first step, which is downloading the VirtualBox. So if you go to this link, it will download the latest version which is currently available. It's 6.0.12, and you can just click on this link to download, and the download will be started automatically. So I already have this file downloaded, so I'm not going to re-download it. And just in case if this download link is old, you can just go to this download page, and here you can see what is the latest version available along with the base OS you have. So for Mac OS you can download as OS X host, and for Windows and Linux distribution, and it's also support the Solaris. So like I mentioned, currently this is the latest version which I hyperlinked in this download button, so you can just go and check that. And next thing is like to install. So once you have downloaded the file, you can just go to the download folder, and that file would be available. Just go and double click on that, and this will open this window which has the VirtualBox package along with the other user manual and information like what exactly the VirtualBox is. So just go and double click on this VirtualBox package. So this window will open, and it will ask to whether to continue the installation because it's a third party. Just go and say continue, then continue and install. It will ask to enter the password. Just go enter. Now while this if you are not whitelisted the third-party installation, then it may ask you to allow the third-party installation that you can go and do in your system preference settings. So since I already whitelisted the Oracle, so it's going to be installing. So once it is installed, just close this and move it into trash, and you would be able to see an application VirtualBox which is installed in your application folder. So if it's not available here, you can just drag it from the window that you have seen and just install it here, and you would be able to. So once it is done, under the application folder you will see the VirtualBox. Just go and double click on it, and this is the virtual machine, the VirtualBox. Just go and get used to it. So in this way you can install the VirtualBox on your Mac OS. It's a pretty simple three-step process which doesn't take much time. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks guys, cheers, have a great day.